Sangena thina sinibikele sinamukele esiqephini sanamuhla se-Daily Thetha kanti-ke njengenjwayelo kuyintokozo enkulu ukuhlanganyelana nani as we continue to build the nation one conversation at a time. Mina-ke igama ngumxolisi wakwamasango Silo Sengakana osethulela uhlelo ngolimi lwempawu. Sawubona Ashla.
Hello, how are you doing?
Ngiyaphila kunjani?
I am awesome.
Looking great as always.
Thank you so much.
Let me just say ukuthi namhlanje-ke siku-Youth Opportunity Wednesday.
My favorite.
Ne?
Yeah.
So this is of course a Youth Opportunity Wednesday wembukeli namhlanje and sifocus ku-linguistics. Kulo mkhakha lo kuthiwa-ke you can open yourself to amathuba amaningi wemisebenzi. Ubuwazi ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi ukuba fluent elimini lakho, this opens you to opportunities amaningi. Njengoba sesiye sabona ney'nhlangano ey'ningi ey'fana noNalibali zi-encourage ukuthi not only should we be a reading nation kodwa-ke ukuthi sitshele iy'tori zethu ngamalimi lethu kubaluleke kakhulu. Futhi-ke ney'nhlangano ezifana no-Pansalb kwesinye isikhathi also come into the fold where Ashla to ensure ukuthi-ke we preserve our languages kwethu. Kodwa-ke how much do we know about our opportunities that are available in the language space?
Absolutely, and sometimes when we say words like linguistics, languages, we sometimes take it too far. Maybe you're one of those people, Bagud, Xhosa, Zulu, Svenda, you're one of those people that slide into any environment. And you're saying, "Kitsere talente," but I don't know how to make an opportunity of it. Today is Youth Opportunity Wednesdays. And we're saying we're going to teach you today, we're going to answer the questions, how can I make money from knowing different languages? Speaking of languages, our 12 fish language, Mko, can you do your name in sign language?
Yeah, you know how Silo does it.
How does he do it?
Goes like this, and then he goes like this.
Akisho, while he's struggling, maybe let's take a look at social media. So we have Nkosi Khona Port Bar on Facebook who says, my home language is isiXhosa. I'm also very good at speaking isiZulu and English. I never thought I could make a career from speaking different languages because I write poems and music with these three languages. Does this mean I can also work as a translator? Hashtag Daily Thetha.
Tell you what, we will be finding out when Nkosi Khona Khululeka, XT boy, X Utiana. I used to what we know Sipitori, which I adapted as I was growing up. And is Sipitori an official language? I also learned a lot of English at school and I make music using both languages. And here's the thing, and the beauty of being in South Africa is ukuthi ama languages ethu can be broken down into many forms depending ukuthi ukuphi ngasiphi isikhathi and wenzani. Senjalo we also bring in our studio audience for lenkulumo namhlanje. Sinibingelele sinamukele ku Youth Opportunity Wednesday.
So maybe just an easy one. How many languages do you speak, sir? At ring mic.
Sanibonani.
Lekay.
Siyaphila kunjani?
Reti.
Mina ngikhuluma almost wonke ama language.
Almost wonke ama language.
Yeah.
Anka udibilisa kaSvenda no utlomkaraba.
Ngizokuphendula ngesizulu.
Oh,
Kodwa ngizokuzwa.
Oh, okay, you can hear almost all the languages.
Yes.
Have you managed to use this like ikila ya benefit jwang maybe with a chelete kantwi? Ikila benefit jwang?
Akubaluleke kakhulu because each and yonke indawo engihamba kuyo like mangifika khulunywa isilobelu nami ngiyafika ngiyajoyina ngiyaba angisakhulumi. Mangabe bayabulela nami ngiyafika ngiyabulela. So kuba simple. Yes.
And then maybe does anybody else know the opportunities? How can you say that the opportunities from, you know, who's about the language say different other than translator voiceover? Are there any other opportunities that you know of using languages?
Ulimi luyimali. Indlela eziningi esizaziyo zokwenza imali ngolimi iwona umculo kanye nayo imidlalo ka television. Kanti sekukhona umkhakha omusha obizwa nge-computerized linguistics. Lapho sekusetshenziswa khona ulimi la ebuxhakaxhakeni bama-computer ukusabalalisa ulwazi. Umuntu onolwazi olwenele lwezilimi angaba usizo kakhulu kulomkhakha njengokulungisa nje lento yamaselula ukuthi iselula nayo izazi zonke izilimi ngoba uthi ubhala umqhafazo ngolimi lwakho ibisilokhu ikucorrecta ngento ongayidingi yona icabanga ukuthi ukhuluma isingisi kanti ifoni le iyimpatha ayifundile. So umuntu owuchwepheshe we-computerized linguistics angakwazi ukusiza ley'nkampani zamaselula ukuthi zibe namaselula akhuluma izilimi zabantu. Sike sime umuntu la inebhenki manje abantu basebhenki besiza ugogo lapha kwi-ATM kanti if i-ATM ibibulala stronger ugogo ubezokwazi ukuyisebenzela yena elokhuzana kwi-ATM aqede ulayini uhambe ngokushesha.
Ntate ka re refile the right person the microphone. Could you tell us maybe onale experience musebenzing on our digital linguistics?
Yebo, ngisebenzisana nentokazi ekuthiwa uMalifu Mahlwane wasePensalp one master's degree kwi-computerized linguistics.
Wow.
Uyaye angigqugquzele kakhulu ekutheni ngigqugquzele intsha ukuthi yazi ngalomkhakha. Kumanje njena ngisiza izingane ezenza opopayi ukuthi ke uma usuwenzile upopayi wakho ulimi ke ulidlalisa kanjani ukuthi kuqondane necomputer ngoba icomputer ikunikeza isikhathi esithize mhlawumbe sokwenza into ethize bese uyakwazi ke ukuphica ulimi ukuthi lilungane nqe kunalesikhashana esincane osiphiwa icomputer. Kunobuchwepheshe nje obuningana lapho singakulandisa ngelinye ilanga uma isikhathi sikhona.
Ay re ratile ra leboha ntate.
Yeah, enjalo endeke neinhlangano ezifana no-Pensalp as well, Ursula, have been championing i-cause yokuthi ke sinikeze ama-languages ethu expression efanayo ngaso sonke isikhathi. Bring it to the side, sikubingelela sikwamukele ohlelweni. Mfethu, ake sizwe kuwena ukubaluleka kwama-languages ethu first of all, kodwa ke uyazi nokuthi uma ufluent nge-language thizeni or even your language ungakwazi ukuthi uthuthukise i-career yakho. Sawubona.
Sanibona, Dumelan, Awushen, Nemasari, and Thobela, Molweni.
Ke mo he.
So, kanjalo, I can see very big opportunity ka berekisa language because ha berekisa language ha o kena di plekeng wa bona ya le ha o kena go Pitori ke kule ba bolela ka Pitori se ba language because ha o fitla ka ra but Pitori as a language it's diluted ka Sepedi. Because Sepedi is similar le Sotho le Tswana ke ntho e one vele so ha o fitla ka ra gona communicate le bona o bolela le bona re le fetsa dilo ha o fika KZN wa fika lapha u khona ukukhuluma nabo make sure ukuthi yonke into uyibeke endaweni mase ungena le Limpopo le kudependa ukuthi ukuphi ufikele eGiyani balabula namachangani Tsamseka uyalevenda uyahamba nabone zwote zwito zikho chimbila nga ndila ya braro. So when you come here in Johannesburg, obvious, you are learning into, let's say, the international language. You go to like Boshangware, or Rutaura Jaganaka, or Rutaura Boru, Zewa, Etisan. So, by the way, it's very important to know the language because yona ingaba malia ina aka youth and everybody you can change the hustle to be your daily job and to be your work. And then kuna the entrepreneur leti ti dilaka the language each and every day. So leswi ifane ku ifamba ka swona kuna the voice over. And if you know the language loko lava ku tirha ka the creative industry ungaba unga koti ku hlaya mara loko u kota ku yingisela ku twa ku va ri yini va lava yini u teka instruction. Most of the actors van'wana abayang va study like acting in a profession but the actors leti ta khale a to nyikiwa instruction. So it's very important language yifana na ku yingisela. Listening is a skills leswi va swi vulavulaka. So if u kota ku yingisela swi ta komba ku mali ya wena hinkwayo yi vuyini hikuva u tirhisa language. So anta ku aka youth a hi tekeleni language a nhlokweni.
Yeah.
Swi important ngopfu.
And I've just been answered in about 5 or 6 languages
Imagine
in one
that.
go, right?
Welcome, South
Silethe
Africa
ngapha
land.
kule hlangothi sikubingelela sikwamukele ohlelweni. Ngesizwe ukuthi wena uthini which languages are you fluent in? Sawubona.
Sanibonani, ngiyabonga ngokungamukela ohlelweni leni namhlanje mina ngoMinenhle ngwakazama. Ilimi engizaziyo engizazi kakhulu ulimi lwami lwebele ngencelebeleni kumama isiZulu nesiswati ke ngiyasazi nesilungu ngoba vele nasesikoleni besifunda isilungu bese kuthi lezi ezinye ezinye ilimi ngisithole uma ngifika la eGoli ngoba ngifike la eGoli ngathola abantu abahlukile nabahlukahlukene abasuka endaweni ezahlukahlukene ilana ke khona engizamile ukuthi ngifundeke isisuthu ngifundeke isivenda ngokusizwa bese ngikwazi ukuthi ngiphendule because of abantu ebengikubona kwi-surrounding yami ngabona kakhulu ukuthi ukubaleka kakhulu kolimi lubaleke kakhulu ngoba ngisho namaciko ethu amaciko uthola ukuthi akhuluma isiZulu amanye akhuluma olunye ulimi ngabona ukuthi kahle kahle we are unity in diversity kwayisholo oyedwa wayesho language le yama-Khoisan ukuthi xeke xarake we are unity in the diversity. So yeah, that's where I noticed ukuthi kuningi ukubalekile mayelana nokwazi ulimi especially mawuzosuka ngapha ngale kwaZulu uze ngapha eGoli. IsiZulu sivame ukuthi ngale sijiyile mase sesibuya ngapha sesingathi sibalula kancane. So mawungabe kungayenza njenge career kungayinto engakusiza futhi you can even put food in the table yabo.
Anube nekusasa eliqhakazile
eliqhakazile.
senjalo. Sibonge kakhulu uyezwa ke sifocus on language practice kanye nama linguistics namhlanje ohlelweni, as well as some of the opportunities that young people can take advantage of kuwona lo mkhakha. Bangashayela nocingo ke ku 011 339 1315.
Absolutely, and I'm actually feeling like I could be missing out on something. So maybe get our closing kaSizulu or Kitlo Itumalelemi. What do you think?
Safundisa masibuye ekhefini.
Catch you after the break.
Yeah, siyabonga.
Hello and welcome back to Daily Teta. Today we're chatting all things to do with language and linguistics. So you're multilingual, Otsibadi language, and you're asking yourself, how can I make money out of this opportunity? And we're sitting with amazing guests with us in studio. We've got Sia Masuku, who is a graphic novelist for the Puku Children's Literature Foundation, and Dr. Sally Mayepa, the Pan-South African Language Board Senior Provincial Manager. Hi, Doc. Hi, Sia. How are you? Doc, just starting off with, I know this is a tricky question, but the preservation of history. sometimes is reserved because, you know, the toritera that our grandmothers would tell us when we were younger, and things like that preserve history, even down to the taelo and things like that. How important is it for some of us to know our home languages?
Re ke tsama ke dumedishe all the viewers there out there at home. You know, go botlhokwa kudu because go ka nagana gore the way that we grew up, because, you know, we'll sit around the fire at night, bo koko ba re botsa all the stories, you know, direto and everything. But then bana ba rena ha bana that opportunity because now ke di social media, now ke TV or any other thing. But it's important gore rena as the parents, re make sure gore bana ba tseba all those languages, ba tseba all those cultural things, so that to preserve our culture. And in that way, we'll also be preserving our languages, because if really re sa ruti bana ba rena di languages tsa rena, it will be obvious that our languages will die and our culture eventually will also die. So they will not know where they're coming from. So that's why it is very much important that we preserve that.
That we preserve the language.
And sisakhuluma ngokubaluleka kwama-languages ethu, and wena usebenza kakhulu kwi-space lesey'ngane, because this is also at a time where we're promoting ukuthi iy'ngane zifunde kakhulu, but also importantly ukuthi zifunde ngamalimi awo. Just talk to us about umsebenzi owenzayo in the language space.
Okay, sanibonani. Thank you for the opportunity. Umsebenzi engiwenza basically graphic novelist, umbhali weincwadi nomdwebi, wazi incwadi, and I mean mina ngisakhula ngibekise nje nge-experience ngisakhula isiZulu besingishaya bese nje ngikhulelela eSoweto, so ukhona umentionile khona manje ukuthi no isiZulu vele mawuseThekwini versus masoSoweto isihlukile, and I had to reconcile nalokho. Benginalento ukuthi mangibuye kuyodlala ngaphandle ngijibele endlini ngithi mama ngicela amaqanda, athi hey akunamaqanda la maqanda, you know. So into ezinjalo I had to ukuthi ngifunde ukuthi no balekile ukuthi ngisifunde isiZulu nami mase ngikwazi ukukhula ngikwazi ukuthi ngisikhulume kahle, also just ukuzidlulisela kwabanye. So through incwadi it became an easier way. Ukudweba ngiyadweba, uma wayethisha, so izincwadi zazikhona endlini zigcwele ngobuningi. Uthando lami laqala lapho ke, ilapho ke ngo-2015 isikole iMseni Primary School bebangasitholi iy'ncwadi, kakhulukazi iy'ncwadi ezibhalwe ngolimi lebele. Ngabona lapho ukuthi okay, nayo opportunity ukuthi mhlawumbe ngenze incwadi ngiyiphi isikole, and asikashintshi since. So ngiyabona ukuthi ingane ziyasithanda isiZulu, siyabhala ngamanye amalimi ke, isiSotho, isiTswana, iSiswati, and iy'ngane babuka iy'thombe bakwazi ukuthi ba-compare iy'thombe namagama bafunde ngaleyo ndlela. I think ngiyibeke lapho mhlawumbe.
Okay, and then we also haven't forgotten about our third guest, Olerato Trok, who is an award-winning author, editor, translator, and creative writing coach. Hello, how are you, ma'am?
Good thing again, then.
Could you please tell us a little bit about what you do?
Okay, ke nna Lorato. I'm an author like Uwile. I'm an author. I write children's books ka Setswana. Like English, I write also for young people, young adults, biographies. And I'm also the director of Nalibali Reading for Enjoyment Trust.
Sisakhuluma nje ngeNalibali. Yes, so iNalibali yenza ama-waves amakhulu uma sibuka indima eyidlalayo espaceni ekuthenini igqugquzele iy'ngane ukuthi zifunde. This is also where we see ukuthi illiteracy rate kakhulukazi ey'nganeni iloke liyehla. Ithi ke sizwe kuwena ukuthi niyiNalibali just moving forward nenzani uqinisekisa ukuthi niyayi-advance le agenda yokuthi iy'ngane zifunde more kodwa in their mother tongues as well.
Yes. Yeah, so we promote a lot of reading for enjoyment. We are not really based into like Kanikolo or reading for children must read stories and books to enjoy themselves, because before they even progress to reading, so it must start from from way back and in their home languages, because we believe when children read in their home languages, it's easy for them to progress to the other language like English and so on. So we promote a lot of African languages. That's all that we do. Early childhood, from early childhood up to adulthood, it's very important for bana ba kgone go buisa le go bala le go itumelela just to enjoy the stories like mme wa nna bua ko kgale ne go diriwa ditlhamane ka Setswana they call it ditlhamane you know ka mollo and so on and I grew up on that. My mother was that mother who would tell us stories tsa Setswana, oral stories tsa Setswana that we call ditlhamane and so on. So it's very important that children the first language e ba e utlwang e nne ko gae e nne the home language ke yone their very first introduction into language. We know that how bua le lesea o bua ka lone ka language ya bone ba to go understand and it's very easy to transition easily how bua ka language ya gago when you have the foundation of your language and then it's easy to transition to another language e o ithutang yona.
Ukubeka ama-building blocks uyezwa-ke kubalulekile we-Ursula, yeah?
Absolutely.
Yeah. And-ke masibuya-ke siyaqhubeka-ke nenkulumo yethu. Hlala nathi khona la ku-Daily Thetha.
Hi, and welcome back to Daily Teta. Today we're talking all things to do with languages and specifically in the context of plugging the youth. It is Youth Opportunity Wednesdays. And so we know over at PanSelb, Doc, you've got this slogan that says, one nation, many languages. Walk us through what PanSelb is, you know, leetsang mo, hantle leetsang ko pencil, and also the opportunities. We're here to plug young people into opportunities. Motho a ka thola mosebetsi jwang?
Ko Pensalp ke language board e le goreng ile ya establish ke the Pensalp Act because it dirilwe ke molaotheo wa our constitution so that re tle re promote the languages, re create all the conditions also for the development of the languages tja rena. So mo Pensalp re dila ka dilo tse dintsi, especially when relating to dilo tja languages, re make sure ya gore re create the conditions tse le goreng languages can be developed. You know, go diriwa the dictionaries in all the official languages. We've got the national lexicographic units that are also doing those dictionaries. So the youth can also, you know, when they go and study, go university, but specialize in a course by lexicography. And then we also, you know, monitor the translation and interpreting.
About open to that course, lexicography.
Lexicography.
Is what I.
Go to university around the languages. We've got it go University of Pretoria.
Okay.
Yeah, so the universities that offer language courses, they also have that course here, lexicography.
Okay.
So you specialize in it. It's just, you know, a term just it's just simply dictionary making.
Okay.
So that is what they call it, lexicography. And then coming to issues to translation and interpreting, you know, we monitor the translations that are done by the government departments to ensure those translations, quality translation. That's why we've got our national language bodies, the verification and authentication of those translations that have been done, and even the terminology that has been developed. So you can also go and study to become a terminologist.
Okay.
So as a terminologist or develop the words, vocabulary in a particular language, it will depend on which language that you are specializing in. So also issues to language in education, you know, language in education is very broad, especially when coming to issues to language. You know, you can become a teacher in languages, a lecturer. You can become when coming to issues to language. A presenter, like, you know, a news reader. You know, I'm just trying to think of other, labor human language technologies, because I think that is what the youth of today will like, becoming a human language technologist.
But maybe let's just start at grassroots. Okay, 17, I'm going to do matric next year. And what must I go study next year? Or are there opportunities maybe to go straight into a learnership? Perhaps you don't have to go necessarily the TVET college or university option. So maybe if you could just walk us through what's the direction, what does one do in order to get to a place where you're saying, I'm a language specialist?
Okay, maybe let me give you an example, Ganna, because I studied language, of course. What I did, I've always wanted to become a teacher. But you know, the parents, but then what I did after my matric, I went to a college of education. So I did my diploma in education, but specializing in English and Sepedi, knowing that I was excelling in Sepedi Saresho and Sarata. So after that, I go university, I did the BA degree, specializing again in languages and psychology. But then I had to drop the psychology after my honors level, got into a master's level, like I did my master's in lexicography, like we say, and then you go and do your PhD. But as a youth, you can still directly go to a university to say, this is the course that I'd like to choose. The different courses. Baba ngoba specialize like the linguistic course. Baba ngoba dira language practice. Baba ngoba dira the BA, but also having the languages in that BA. BA communication, also having languages in that. And at Pensalp, we also offer an opportunity for the students to go university or go, like for instance, this work interrelated program, learning program with TUT, where the students, by the third year, they come to our institution for 3 months. They go through, you know, we try to, you know, mentor in terms of how to become a language practitioner.
Yeah, that's very great opportunities that one can explore Guleo field. And from what I'm picking up, correct me if I'm wrong, you essentially safeguard amalimi etu as a Pensalp. Let's just moving forward. What do you make of some of the conversations? There are some languages that are more superior than other languages in Mzansi Africa, which is a bad stereotype to begin with, because if you lies in this tribalism, and I guess kulumenge monitoring to ensure compliance from the relevant government bodies.
Okay, we also do that monitoring and compliance with the provincial and the local government, Reshumisha, the Use of Official Languages Act, because you know what it says, hore, all the government departments must at least use 3 official languages. So what we do, we request these government departments to send us an annual report wherein they show the activities that they do to promote, to develop, and the languages, they are in their language policies. Firstly, they must have the language policy that they operate with.
Okay.
And then they must also show how they implement that language policy in line with the Use of Official Languages Act. So Rana as PENSAP, we make sure that the government departments are compliant. And of course, you'll find 1, 2, 3 not complying. But then that is our role to make sure that they comply.
What happens if they don't?
I remember some years, I think it was in 2018, we had to subpoena them and had a public hearing for all the national government departments wherein the public was there asking them questions. So Rena as PENSAP, recently what we are doing now is we also ask them to submit those reports, and those that do not submit the reports, we subpoena them.
All right. And there's a social media read that we need to go to, Ush. Yeah.
It's right at the bottom. We read it earlier, but basically the person was asking, with them knowing isiZulu and English and them writing music and poems with these languages, does this mean that they can also work as a translator?
Becoming a translator is a profession like you become a doctor or a dentist or any other profession. So just because ke kgona go bolela Sepedi, ke tseba isiZulu, ke tseba English, I cannot just become a translator if I didn't go through the course year translation.
All right.
So you need to have the qualification in translation for you to become a translator. We do have those people that take chances, to say because of English, then the documents I can do translation on them. That is not acceptable.
Up to here, we haven't forgotten about you. So I know that you deal in Ntozabana, right? And one of the things I think when we were growing up, hence it's a default that some of us dream and think in English, was that Bazodi Warona were told that no, little confuse Abana, let's get introduced at different languages too early, this and that. And now we're learning that that's absolutely not true. The sooner you introduce languages, the more a child can catch different languages. And so maybe if you can just walk us through being somebody who works with children and teaching children our native languages, like you said, Luena Zulu, sa local, and you've allowed yourself to engage. If you could just tell us what's the right time to start introducing our home languages in a way that still makes our children, competitive in an environment where they can still catch English, maybe even French, Swahili. How do we equip children to become better at languages?
Yeah, that's a good question. Actually, before ngiphendula ngicela ukubuza, it's just show of hands. Nibangakhe nishintshile i-language emafonini wenu? Nonke nisayisebenzisa nge-English. Mina yami ngesiZulu. And I can tell you now ukuthi we do need assistance nge-programming yezilimi zethu on the internet into ezinjalo, because no ufunda i-Google Translate ayisebenzi. And then when we have abantwana benza i-homework mhlambe, kusho ukuthi thina njengabantu abadala or ama-guardians kumele sibamonitore, because angeke bayithathe lento le phuma ku-Google and use it esikhathini esiningi. Now, this goes to, there's an article abangithumele yona ngicela ningibekezelele. It pertains to answering your questions.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ingesingisi, but it's quite short. It's got some good points.
All right. And while you look for it, actually, Youth Opportunity Wednesday, we had another gentleman who was in the telecommunication space who was talking about this and the importance of actually having cell phones that speak in our languages.
Absolutely.
Continue, yeah?
Yes.
Sure. So, Funda Ujabulile Primary School in Soweto has led to it being invited to join the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Network of Associated Schools. The school, which is run by UJ, University of Johannesburg, has been recognized for its distinctive research-centered methods of teaching that include teaching pupils in their mother tongue and pioneering teacher education. And I just want to say, Utishandra Wakon Sabina Lukuleni, she's doing an amazing job now.
Yes.
I think the essence of this article is and actually teach them izilimi zabo while they're still in foundation phase. And it becomes easier for them for one. Secondly, they are less likely to fail if abantwana bafunda ngolimi labo. ngolimi lasekhaya, and they are less likely to drop out. So all of those things, kahle kahle mase sibone as they grow up baba ne-confidence angithi bayazithanda futhi bayakwazi ukuthi baye emazweni basho ukuthi mina nguSiya Masuku Zwide Kalanga mhlawumbe without feeling like kumele bayisho ngesingisi. And there are many opportunities in that regard for umsebenzi and how they can make money, njengoba ishilo sis. And in this day and age with the internet, there's so much. You invent your job, really.
Absolutely.
You know. And I'm not saying ukuthi kulula, not by any means. I mean, nami as umbhali, nomuntu oshicilela incwadi, it's tough ukwenza living, and you gotta be able ukuthi ubheka amanye ama opportunities ku market. Hopefully, okulomkhakha kuona, which is writing noma yini, and finding ways to develop your career. And after isikhathi, it takes a long time. After isikhathi, uyayibona indlela yakho as an individual, njengomuntu. Uyayibona indlela yakho, uyakwazi nokuthi usebenze ulimi lebele, and hopefully you can do well.
And I want to piggyback off the article leceda kuyifunda manje, the reality esabhekane nayo on the ground. Kwesinye isikhathi uzothola umakhelwane or umuzi thizeni kuthiwa cha mina ingane yami asikhuluma isiZulu esikolweni ikhuluma iEnglish yodwa, uzwa abantu bakuxhoma ngaloko ukuthi hey ingane yami ikhuluma isilungu isikhipha ngamakhala. Just how far are we ekuthenini sibreakele ama cycles afana nalawo, because it's very important that we have open and honest conversations about this ukuthi it's not acceptable ukuthi ingane ingakwazi ukukhuluma ilimi la.
I'm from a Protea North, Nkulele Protea North, Soweto. Kune crash lapha around my place. Angifuni ukubakhuluma ngoba nangumama sePensouth uzobabopha. So ngiyafika lapha, I want to donate some books to ingane incwadi zesiZulu. Uthisha wakhona ungitshela ukuthi no, ithina ingane zethu sifunda ngesingesi, that's why sihlakaniphile. So these are the things we need to challenge consistently, and kumele sibe deliberate. You know, I often say ukuthi it really boils down ukuthi kumele sizithande. You know, and then sobona ukuthi no amalimi wethu abalulekile, and yeah, to say one language is more superior than other, uqinisile mfowethu, it brings up ama-tribalism, izinto ezi unnecessary. And honestly, isingesi is not more important. Ama-China awanasikhathi, you know, Amandia, France, everyone, but they love their own languages, and we need to start loving ourselves more nezilimi zethu.
Yeah, and we're going to be taking a quick ad break. Khona manje wembukele siyabuya ke emva kwalokho. Hlala nathi khona la ku Daily Thetha. Ungashayela na ucingo ku 011 339 1315. Back after this.
Welcome back. My favorite day of the week on Daily Teta, Youth Opportunity Wednesdays, where we look at different opportunities. You're saying, "Wait, you can get higher," and I don't exactly know what I want to go into and what I need to learn to go into those fields. And today we're looking at specifically linguistics and languages. So, Omuta are good. You switch between Zulu, Xhosa, Sotho, then this is the show for you. Don't forget, all our shows are posted on Facebook afterwards. So if you're only catching us now and you want to catch the beginning of the episode, you can check that out on Facebook. Lorato, we have not forgotten about you. The question we have for you, Melorato, is, you know, here we are, we're a generation that's saying we're trying to get more involved in our languages and we're trying to be more patriotic and we're trying to understand our languages better. More importantly, we want to pass on the traditions that, you know, stopped maybe with our grandmothers, some people, even their great-grandmothers. Where do we start when it comes to teaching children? Re ba ruta jwang bana ba rona, something that we are not so well-versed in ourselves?
I mean, it shouldn't even be, I mean, it's a no-brainer for the first thing, ngwana a utlwang ko gae must be their home language. It shouldn't even be, I don't understand, you know, like we were talking about when, you know, the children can just proudly, the mothers can just say proudly, ngwana ka ha bue Sizulu, they can't speak Sizulu, like they are gloating, ho monate and so on. That's actually embarrassing. It should be gore ke bana ba bua Setswana or whatever the language ya go gae from the very beginning ba sa le mo go wena mme o sa ba ibile ba santsane ba gola ba nne le that foundation. I think mo South Africa re na le a very good example of bana ba ba golang ka language ya bone and they continue to do well. Ke Africans bana ba ma Afrikaner, they speak their languages. I know gore go na le a lot of resources for them and so on, but their parents ba insist gore bana ba bue Africans. That is why it's so easy for them to transition to even English better than bana ba start and baba and English right, you know, right through basa any other language ya go high. So that is why it's easy to transition from language ya gago go ya go engwe. So it's very important ga ya tshwana go nna debate gore bana ba tlamile ba go buelwe language e seng ya go high. Ga ke tlhaloganye gore ke debate e leng gore batsadi ba starta yang. I think the other thing ke gore go dikolong tse re isang bana go tsone sa rona tse di senang the African languages, parents, they listen to these teachers who are telling them, hey, the child is struggling with English or Afrikaans, please speak English and Afrikaans to them at home. That shouldn't be the case in South Africa where 81% of the population is Black and we speak, you know, our African languages and so on. That shouldn't be. You should just tell the teachers, no, I'm not doing that. English or Afrikaans, whatever the languages they are learning. Mara, you should insist as a parent, no. Ngwana wa ka o tlo go bua my home language, o tla ithuta di languages tse dingwe go gae. It really shouldn't be a debate between the teacher and the school, but insist on the language. You as a parent and the caregivers, you should take the lead. We actually value our languages when we say so, but if we don't value our language, then we're going to go back and say no, that shouldn't be the case at all.
Ngiyayizwela ke nawe mbukeli kuthiwa ke knowing your language ulimi lakho sets the foundation ukuthi ukwazi ukuvula ingqondo to learning amanye languages. Let's bring it to the audience njengamanje for some engagement. Siphinde sikubingela sikwamukele ohlelweni. Uyezwa ke sikhuluma ngama opportunities that might be available ku space se language practice. Ithi ke sizwe contribution yakho namhlanje. Sawubona.
Yebo Qhawe, ngithokoze kakhulu izethulo zezihambeli zethu kakhulukazi umfoka Masuku lapha uma ethi kunothisha.
Ngicela ngikhuphulele microphone. Yebo.
Uma ethi kunothisha abathi izingane zabo zihlakaniphile ngokuba zikhuluma isingisi. Okuyihlazo nehlaya ukubona umuntu ezingqapha ngenhlamba. Unkosazane lona udokotela wasePensalp yena uthi wafunda ukuhlanganisa psychology nolimi. Lapho sazi khona ukuthi kuthiwa ungakhuluma kahle ngolimi olufundile kodwa ngeke ucabange kahle ngolimi ekungelona lwakho. So uma ulimi lwakho ungasalwazi kuyenzeka nokuthi awukwazi ukucabanga. Lokho siyaye sikubone la ko television ubone umuntu omdala uttering sheer fallacies in polished accents bese uzwa ingane encane ikhuluma into enengqikithi ngolimi lwendabuko okubhlungu eSouth Africa ukuthi ngisho ukhala uma ungakhalanga ngesingisi akekho umuntu ongakuzwa uma nje kudilika ibridge ngakini busuvele indabeni uthi umphakathi silekeleleni nali ibridge seliphihlizelekile lana asazi sowelaphi akuna donation engangena but if you can say oh my god the bridge was broken ku donate ngisho umuntu ongenamali so ke uma ungasalikhuluma ulimi lwakho kungenzeka ukuthi awusakwazi ukukhuluma nawe
Are you a storyteller?
professional
Ngiyakubona. Ethi silethe ngapha kule hlangothi. Ethi silethe ngapha kule hlangothi. Because here's the thing, vele, some words even hit harder when they're expressed in a certain language. Sikubingela sikwamukele sizokuthi wena uthini mfethu, sure.
Ngibonge kakhulu igama uNkosinathi. Umfowethu njengoba bese bengifuna ukuhamba lapha ehambe khona kodwa akusenankinga. Mina ngifisa ukusho nje i-technology yakhuphuka day and day but ingane ezincane azingabheki ukuthi yonke into sesiyifunda phansi okay sesiyifunda ngomshini sesifunda ngani akube khona ukuthi ingane uyayithisha ngendlela efanele yazi because ake ngibekisele nje ukuthi mhlawumbe ingane iyafunda iyaqeda isikole yaqeda umatric kufuna iqhashwe lapho ekufuna iqhashwe khona uma kumele iqhashwe isingisa isazi angijona i-translator umshini mayifika lapha na ngibekisele nje ukuthi kufuna iyoba umdlalo werugby mayifika groundini ayikho translate groundini funa ikwazi ukuthi communicate nabantu because lapha nibhekene nezizwe ezahlukahlukene understand so ngifuna ukukhulumela lokho ukuthi asingafocus kakhulu kwi-technology efikayo manje ingane ayithithwe iyazi wonke ama language because mawufika vele endaweni eyiningi nami ukukhuluma ama language ahlukahlukene ingane ayithithe mangabo otishela ngifuna ukukhulumela kakhulu izikolo ngoba inkingi isuke ezikolweni
Njalo. And ngifuna ukuthi siyithathe siyise nangale kulela hlangothi sikubikelela sikwamukele sizwe ukuthi wena uthini namhlanje ohlelweni. Sawubona.
Ha monate le kae? Ke a utlwa kaofela di-point tse re di buile nne but ke ne ke batla re bue taba ya hore ha re bueng ka hore not knowing other languages how it makes you feel out of place. Like for instance ha ke re ke ka hara maZulu or Mavenda or Machangani because now I'm from Free State and language e kholo e re buang haholo Free State ke Sesotho la utlwa leleme la ka akere so batho le ha ba se ba ipuela fela innocently so but because how ba understand ntho pele fela o tlona hana hore maybe batho ba tsheya ka we understand ke ituletse ka hara maZulu ba iqoqela ba tsheya ke tla be se ke nana ke re modimo ke khola ba bua ka meno ka mangata you understand so it's very important to re ithute di language tse ding especially some of us ha re tswa Free State when you get to Johannesburg o tlo bona the importance of learning other languages and another thing secondly ho re restera tse ba di language tse ding it limits us bophelong it closes doors for us especially us in the TV industry, the aspiring actors. Ufumana sometimes you want a certain role, you fit the brief, but because of the language, you're not going to get the role. So it is very important to read to the language. Naki tutile sali ki fitla mona jobe akore. Sevenda hore na ho thwa bola a ke ditse ibinto tso but at the end of the day I must learn because nako tse ding kopana le motho a moholo and especially a ke tsebe ke lentswe le hantle le ke tlo le sebedisa kapa jwang but hona le batho be le hore they are so typical. Even especially ka di language tsa bona o kopane le motho a moholo toropong a bua language ya hao le wena wa sokola o ro bua sekgowa a o jwetsa gore ha o se ha se tsebe you understand so it is very important to read to the language tsa di bophelong.
And here's the beauty of this conversation. Ukuthi Youth Opportunity Wednesday ended up opening ama floodgates to ezinye ingqinamba oyinselele sibhekene nazo masibuka ama languages ethu. Mbukeli siyabuya ke emva kwalokho. Hlala nathi khona la ku Daily Tata.
Good morning and welcome back to Daily Teta. I know we have a caller on the line that's been waiting for a minute. From Polokwane, Kamogelo, hello.
Good morning and good morning to all the viewers.
Uthini umbono wakho Kamogelo? You can continue.
All right. What I think is that the reason why our language week angekho integrated into all of our systems is because one of the effects of colonialism and apartheid is that they stopped the development of native languages in all aspects. That is why we were speaking Afrikaans and learning through Afrikaans. So now it is practically impossible to use our native language in our workplace. For instance, there's no native word for purple.
There is no native word, I go repeat that again, or there's no native word for?
Native word for the color purple.
The color purple,
That's
okay.
Really, I don't know what purple is.
Eh.
And this is just a practical example for some of the more complex words that are non-existent. I can't write a full report to my boss in my language because some of the technical words are not there. So if we need to reintroduce the native tongue, we need to restructure our entire system and basically create new words, like millions of words for the millions of circumstances that we face today.
All right.
Okay.
Kamo sibonge kakhulu, and I would have actually wanted to have a longer chat with Ukamo Masizwa iphuzu lela lenzayo njengamanje ukuthi ama-traces we-apartheid South Africa continue to linger ngo-2024. And umasibuka maybe i-course eyalelwa yi-youth leya 1976 because we were just commemorating Youth Day just a few days ago. Umasibuka njengamanje ibanga esesilihambile 30 years into democracy. Do you think this is something that we are doing at a pace like Melesienze Ngai? Maybe you can take that.
Yeah, let me just say, or maybe refer ask about the pace people will expect, but honestly speaking, there's a lot that is being done in terms of making sure, like we don't have the weights for some of a terminology. Pan African Language Board is there to do that. You know, like Quebec introduced the national language bodies. We get different departments or different organizations by now with different terms to say we're thinking the term for people can be this term in Sepedi or isiZulu or whatever language. So the National Language Board will sit by direct verification and authentication that weight so that it into the dictionary or into the terminology. So I must say, honestly speaking, let's not lose hope. And Rena, it takes you and I to make sure the languages are being preserved. Because if rebali discouragement, let's not go back to what happened in the past. Yes, of course, it has disadvantaged our parents or whoever that were there in that time. But then now you and I have got this responsibility to make sure that we preserve our languages.
Absolutely. And you know what, we don't want to forget the people that are engaging with us on social media. So perhaps we can just take a look at Mabato Sodi. Mabato Sodi says, I used to work as an assistant at a certain school in Gauteng, and I was assigned as a reading champion. We used to help learners read books from Nali Bali in their home language. Unfortunately, there is no support in schools. Teachers don't engage, and we feel we are taking their time away from teaching. So we stopped with the program. While working there, we realized that many of the children could not read, especially those in grade 5, 6, and 7. Hashtag Daily Teta. Auslorato, if you could maybe just engage with this comment on social media, you know, and just give us perspective. You know, how do we get our teachers to engage? If you could just share with us very briefly.
Yeah, I mean, teachers, I do know that right now teachers have got a lot of work. They've been piled with a lot of admin work, and that's how Rona as Nalibali, we come in, we get our amplifiers, our reading club people to come to the schools and read to the children and help them to understand the importance of engaging or reading in African languages as well. So we want to take that that much responsibility for. It's just is a little bit of their responsibilities in terms of admin, and so focusing on reading and helping them and putting all these resources in African languages as Nalibali, because we do believe that when children read and enjoy stories in their home languages, it will actually help them in their education to take them further. That is why we have so many of our people on the ground, our foot soldiers, as Nalibali, who are on the ground in all these areas of education, in homes even, who go to the homes and read to the parents and also teach them the importance of having these children read in African languages. I do think that teachers have got a lot of work, and we can't always fault the teachers as well, because it also must start at
All right, that's Lorato Trok, award-winning author, editor, translator, and creative writing coach. Just a quick one, Siswami, from the audience one more time. Sikubingela sikwamukele sizwe ukuthi uthini. Microphone.
With regards to knowing your home language, it is very much important. Nna ke Motswana, empa fela ke tswa Soweto, ke bua language ya Soweto however I get it. And then ko sekolong I used to struggle ka hore ke ntse Sepedi ko sekolong. However, ha ntse go ya ka nako ke ntse ke ithuta mo tseleng, ke bile ka thola gore ke a kgona go bala Sepedi, bile I am good in expressing myself ka writing ko Sepedi.
All right.
So you never know until you try. And then if we could just have the closing comments, Doc, Sia, what can you say to the youth out there with regards to opportunities and with regards to just understanding and knowing your languages shortly?
Go botlhokwa bana ba ka gore le thutopolelo ya lena, because there are so many opportunities in terms of career mo languages. So I encourage each and every one of you and viewers at home to make sure that language ya lena la di tseba so that you preserve them.
Thank you. Abdisia.
Yeah, okokuqala mabafunda abantu, and then secondly, like ashilo siswami ukuthi maningi ama opportunities ngaphandle in the reading and writing space, and zikhona indlela zokwenza imali. So yeah, follow your dream. Yeah, good luck.
Thank you.
Follow your dream. And uzwile ke ukuthi kuthiwa abantu mabafunde amalimi abo, because it's embarrassing ukuzwa ukuthi ulusha lanamhlanje asazi ama languages ethu esikhathini esiningi. Kungakho siyi-Daily Thetha, we always encourage abantu futhi ukuthi bafike la kwi-platform, because i-platform yabo bafike bakhuluma ama-languages abo as well. Sibonge kakhulu for sharing your insights nathi namhlanje kwi-language practice and linguistics. Sibonge ku-audience yethu for engagement. Sibonge nakini lapha emakhaya ngokuthi nibe nathi namhlanje kuze kube ngokuzayo nisale kahle.